Hello my dear students, I hope you all are fine. Today in this video let's continue our chapter which is wind, storms and cyclone. In the last video we understood what do you mean by the term thunderstorm, how the thunderstorm forms and all. Okay, what precautions we have to take care during thunderstorm. Now today we are going to understand the second type of wild storm. Its name is tornado. Okay, so in this video I will explain that how tornado is been forming. Just a basic introduction is there of the tornado. So let's start. So basically what do you mean by the term tornado? So here is the definition. That tornado is a dark funnel shaped cloud that reaches from the sky to the ground, and most of the tornadoes are very weak. Okay, over here just a simple definition is given to you that it is a dark funnel shaped cloud. Okay, but along with this dark funnel shaped cloud, it consists of a strong blowing winds having speed of 300 or more than that kilometer per hour. Along with that, heavy thunderstorm effect is there, lightning is there, thunder sound is there, okay, and huge wind speed is there. So this combination is going to be form on the ground, which is termed as tornado. Okay. So in the diagram you can able to see over here that how tornado looks like. It is a spinning whirlwinds. Its other name is whirlwinds, means the winds which are continuously spinning. So this is known as whirlwinds. Now let's understand that usually this tornado forms in 6 different continents. Okay, total 7 continents are there, but except Antarctica, all 6 continents can able to face the tornadoes. Okay, now the question arises, why Antarctica do not form? In Antarctica there is no tornado formation. Reason is very simple, that Antarctica is considered as the polar region. Now polar region have only cool air. Okay, it consists extremely chilled air. There is absence of warm air. Okay, so due to that reason the combination of warm and cold air is not present, and that's why in Antarctica tornado is not possible. Okay, but the most vulnerable place for the tornado formation is United States of America. Okay, some of the region of the United States of America is known as Tornado Alley. Okay, this Tornado Alley is the region where the tornado is frequently forming and causing the destruction. Okay, now let's understand the basic fundamental how tornadoes are forming. So tornado is forming while usually the basic content I am explaining you, that usually in United States of America, okay, warm air is rising up from the equator and reach to the higher latitude and reach to the polar region. So warm air is rising up means through the ground the warm air is moving and the speed is quite slow. But on the other hand, at a high altitude of that United States of America, what is happening, that the western cool air is rushing and passing through it, and the speed is also quite high. So नीचे ground के portion के अंदर, means इस portion के अंदर, means in the ground the air is flowing, which is warm air as well as slow flowing air, and at high altitude the content is different. Fast flowing air, and which is cool in nature. So you can see that slow and warm means low pressure. Over here fast blowing air plus more molecules present means high pressure region is there. So this is creating the pressure difference high to low. Due to that reason the winds are blowing. These winds are forming the pipe like channel. Okay, let me draw over here. So it is going to form a pipe like channel which is horizontal. Okay, cylindrical structure. Due to that reason, this kind of, for balancing the high to low pressure region, okay, it is going to create this pipe like winds. Okay, and the slowly and gradually the updraft air means warm air which is rising up is considered as a updraft air. It will going to push this horizontal cylinder and make it vertical like in a manner which is shown in the figure. Likewise, okay, now inside the tornado over here in the center there is warm air here and it is forming in a spiral manner. On the other hand means it will be like this way, the cylinder is likewise and inside it the warm air is rising up like in a manner, and surrounding this warm air the cool air is rushing and moving like in a manner. Due to that reason it will become tighter at the base. Okay, and in the diagram you can see what is this. This is a huge cloud. During tornado formation, whatever the warm air which is rising up and creating the thunderstorm like weather, okay, so this thunderstorm situation is been created and it will form a huge thick dark charged cloud which is named as supercell. Okay, this supercell is being promoted and encouraged by the warm air which has been rising up and cool air which is sinking lower. Okay, so due to these reasons slowly and gradually it feels like that the dark cloud comes on the ground. Means this structure first, then second, slowly and gradually this kind of spiral structure is been forming. So up to this is known as supercell, and as it is forming as it is coming towards the ground, at that time this structure is known as mesocyclone, and when it will exactly reach to the ground then it is named as tornado. Okay, so this is the main content about the tornado, that just introduction is given in your textbook, but I have explained you that how the tornado is being formed. Tornado will be last up to maximum 2 to 3 hours, number 1. Okay, number 2, that the wind speed is quite high which is 2 to 300 km per hour. Number 3, that it is a dark funnel shaped cloud having huge thunderstorm effect and strong wind speed. Okay, and it is a violent whirlwinds. Number 4th, that mostly occurs in 6 continents. Maximum tornado formation is in the United States of America, and that area is also known as tornado alleys. Okay, this will last up to 2 to 3 hours. After that as the balance is creating between warm air and the cool air, okay, slowly and gradually this speed will slow down and the tornado will flew away and just disappear from the atmosphere. So that's it about the tornado. We're going to understand the next type of storm which is named as cyclone in the next video. Till then, have a nice day ahead. Bye everyone.